In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your invoices in QuickBooks Online. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a logo to your invoices in QuickBooks Online so your billing looks polished and on brand. Before we begin, make sure you have your logo file ready on your computer and that it's no larger than 1 MB. If it's bigger, consider compressing it first so the upload goes smoothly. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. This opens your settings. Under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This is where all your templates live, including the invoice layouts you use with customers. Find the invoice template you want to update. If you've never customized one, you'll likely see the default invoice template listed. On the right, in the Action column, click Edit. This opens the Edit Form Style screen, which is where you'll make visual changes. At the top of the editor, go to the Design tab. This tab controls how your invoice looks, including colors, fonts, and, of course, your logo. In the Form Preview area, click Add Logo if you don't have one yet, or Change Logo if you're replacing an existing image. Navigate to your logo file on your computer and select it. Remember, the maximum size is 1 MB, and for best results, a clear, high-contrast image works well. A PNG with a transparent background often looks clean on most templates. After the logo uploads, take a moment to adjust its placement and size. You want it to be visible and professional without overpowering the rest of the invoice. Check the preview to ensure it aligns nicely with your business name and contact details, and that it doesn't crowd the header. If your logo looks fuzzy, try uploading a sharper version within the size limit. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to apply the logo to your invoice template. That saves your design changes and makes the template ready to use. Next time you create a new invoice, select this updated template so your logo appears automatically. If you use multiple templates, make sure you pick the one you just edited before sending the invoice. It's a small touch that builds brand recognition and adds a professional finish to your billing. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.